If given the correct parameters, could Chatgpt tune my Porsche 997 Turbo for me? I don't know. Let's find out. Since all the hype about OpenAI and ChatGPT, I figured I'd have some fun with it. So I asked ChatGPT if it could tune my Porsche 997 Turbo, if given the correct parameters.
No, I am an AI language model and do not have the ability to physically tune a Porsche 997 Turbo. I can provide information and advice on the topic, but actual tuning will need to be done by a trained mechanic or tuning specialist.
Okay. Well, that didn't get far. Not that I really expected it to, but let's see if we can delve deeper, since it's saying it can provide more information. So I asked, please give me advice on the topic. And here's what it said.
Sure, here are a few general tips for tuning a Porsche 997 Turbo. Start with a good foundation. Before making any modifications, make sure your Porsche is in good condition, with regular maintenance and service up to date. Choose quality parts. When selecting aftermarket parts for your Porsche, look for reputable brands and high-quality components. Consider your driving style. Different tuning modifications will suit different driving styles. If you plan to use your Porsche for track days, you may want to focus on performance upgrades, whereas for daily driving you may want to prioritize comfort and reliability. Get a custom tune. A custom engine tune can maximize the performance of your Porsche's engine and ensure that all modifications are working together effectively. Keep things balanced. When tuning a Porsche, it's important to maintain a balance between performance and reliability. Avoid making too many modifications at once and ensure that your Porsche is properly tested and optimized after each change. Hire a professional. Porsche tuning can be complex, and making mistakes can be costly. Consider hiring a professional tuner who has experience with Porsche vehicles. Remember, any modifications made to your Porsche will void its warranty, so it's important to weigh the benefits and risks before making any changes.
Well, how'd it do? Again, all good points. Very general, but good points nonetheless. Even though the current cars are adaptive and have the ability to learn a bit, almost like AI, by monitoring the engine's performance through feedback of O2 sensors, NOx sensors, EGT sensors, etc. It's able to see if it did a good job or not. But those can only go so far. So when installing a custom intake or exhaust, and especially cams or big displacement kits, you can sometimes experience even a loss of power versus the stock engine, until you tune for the changes and optimize the ECU for those changes. Then you're having a good time. Chatgpt also had a very good point about, if not done properly, it can cause damage. Here at Protomotive, we're very careful with your cars. We prefer to tune via feedback, either on the road or dyno, so you can see the results of the tuning and adjust them accordingly. Especially since no two cars are ever exactly alike. The fuel from California to Florida is wildly different. Then you go from the UK to Shell Super 100. We have very different tuning situations there. So have confidence in experienced tuners like Protomotive. There will come a day when AIs will be tuning all our cars, but thankfully, not yet. Thanks for watching this video on Protomotive. If you're interested in maximizing the performance of your Porsche, please be sure to check our website at protomotive.com for more information on our services and products. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on all the latest news, tips, and tricks from the world of high-performance Porsche 911s. See you in the next video.